Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I will be installing Windows 2019 Server. I have installed Windows 10 in my previous recording. However, today's main focus is to install Windows 2019 Server, which will later become a domain controller, and we'll use this Windows 10 to join that to the newly created domain controller. But today we're just doing base build of 2019. Now, in order to download 2019, I've just Googled for a 2019 evaluation copy, and you get the download link. Once you click on that link, it will actually ask you to register with your email address and stuff. So fill that in, and then you'll get this page. And I've just downloaded this ISO image from there. Okay, so let's get started. So I click on Start, New, and I'll select Typical, and select this option. I will install OS later. The reason being is I was getting an error message in my previous recording, so I've started this again. It seems to be a bug. So just if you do get an error message, I initially had that ISO selected on the top, but I was getting an error message. So the fix is to leave it on the install later, which I'll show you how that would actually work. So we go next, install 2019 version, next, and name your VM whatever you guys like. I will call it VM DC01. That'll be our first domain controller, and I'm going to leave that for me is a default location, and that's fine. 60 gig is fine. I will give it a bit of more RAM. I will give it a 8 gig RAM. 8192. Oops, sorry. 8192, and I'll give it about 4 processors for me, depending on what you guys can do with your PC. For me, that works fine. So I will just leave that and click on Finish. And now right click and go to Settings. And once you go to select CD/DVD, and now you need to pick that ISO image that we just downloaded. And I have that image downloaded under Documents and Windows 2019 Server Evaluation Copy. And I go OK, and we'll power this virtual machine. Okay, press any key to boot. During the recording, I'll pause it a few times, just to make the recording shorter, so don't have to wait for while it's installing. Okay, now it's asking for the OS type, so I'll select standard evaluation copy. We go to next, and accept terms and conditions, and I'll select custom. That's the drive. Yes, and yep, that's the partition or partition. And now it's start to install Windows. Okay, it's getting there. Okay, it's about to reboot. Okay, booting back into Windows. Okay, now it's just prompting me to set up the password. So I'm just going to set up the password. And voila. And that's the Windows 2019. So let's just quickly log in. And one more thing is make sure to install VMware tools as well, just for a better integration. So yeah, um, if you don't see that Explorer there, sorry, if you don't see if you guys don't see the VMware tools, just right click on the VMware. And obviously right now I've got the VMware tool installation, but you'll have that option there to install VMware tools. So it's pretty straightforward. Just leave it on default. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, now there we go. That's all done. And this is Windows 2019. Once obviously you've got the VMware tools installed, just give it a reboot, and that's all done. So that's it, guys, for a 2019 server. And yeah, if you like my video, please do subscribe. Leave any comments below. In next recording, I will be creating this server, promoting this server as a domain controller, and then we'll join Windows 10 to that domain controller. So thank you very much. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.